Bitcoin ShipOwner 508. Today, with the recent uncertainty of these TT Trump tariffs, and then should you ShipOwner invest in new buildings, China, then have a huge tariff, US trade, many companies deciding, well, I'm not going to have my ships built in China. Others, yes, I'm sorry, I am going to. And then what is the rest of the ship owner thinking about whilst they have this pile of cash? Just invest in Bitcoin. Same thing with IMEC. It was like 10 million US dollars between these grants that no one is allocating because the system is like corrupt. If you talk about grants, it's corruption. So why not keep those 10 million Bitcoin? Well, this is the situation with the Bitcoin ship owner, isn't it? It's like, which decision should we take if these tariffs are going to really hit us? And should we invest there or not? What do we do in between? Like IMEC, well, invest in Bitcoin. Well, if you are one of those, dear ship owner, we are going to invest our profits also in MicroStrategy, which is same as Bitcoin. Why? Because we believe it's store of value, and who knows what these presidents or dictators are going to have a conflict with the economy tomorrow. Yes, because the economy should be free, freedom of economy, it should be like that. But if it is not, well, let's just have the cash and the profits where they belong to, store of value, that's Bitcoin. So if you are one of those, dear ship owner, and you want a partner with the same strategic, long-term, never ever spend no Bitcoin, contact Candina, because we are in the same team, rowing together, storing our value, yes, for future generations. They don't care about them. You do, I do. Thank you for your time. Bye.